my god, bro. On Thursday, when you guys were donating the names, when you guys were gifting 5 subs to Artesian Builds, because if you gift 5 subs, you get your name inscribed on the PC. And you guys were fucking donating under like dumbass names. Like, I have a group chat with Artesian Builds, and they were like, bruh, people in your stream are like subscribing. There was like nut_rag. It was like nutrag, Spartans Mustang subscribed. Dude, it was the most troll shit ever. Dodo Logistics subscribed. I was fucking dying, dude. I told them to just leave them all there. Corporal Spartan. I was fucking dying, dude. Fenu Greek loads. Some guy made an account called Fenu Greek load. Oh my god, that was the funniest shit ever, dude. I was dying, man.
God, I'm going to pass away if I don't eat something right now.
Sab's mom. Ramee cannot drive. Uchi shags your mom.
Please.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Mr. K is God. Carmela X Ramos. VLC imports. Copper glitched. I don't know. Dodo Logistics.